back behind Don? We really should have kept count. I bet Greg's marshaled 50 races this weekend. Okay, drivers. This is a 10-minute A main, and you better believe it's going to be a wild one. Let's keep it a little calm on the start. Remember, 10 minutes is a long time. You don't need to make that pass first corner. You can just let it go. Set it up later. Drivers ready? Marshals ready? We're going racing on the sound of the tone in less than 5. And away we go. Harvey going to lead us out. Harvey, MEINTEL, and BARDIN, your top 3 all TQ'd around yesterday. Oh, Harvey puts it in the pipe, gets a bump, and puts it in the pipe again. MEINTEL to the lead, BARDIN to second, Harvey back to third. Woo, Don almost dying. And it's Butter, Doherty, Burns. Wait, there's 2 white trucks with yellow wheels. Which one's Doherty? Probably not the Mugen one. Ben gonna go 12th to 5th on lap 1. Yeehaw. All right, let's turn our attention back out front. BARDIN trying to keep the pressure on MEINTEL. Harvey's got Butter to contend with right now. Ben Kwan in the 5 spot. I don't know where all that speed came from for Ben, but we got your top 5 trying to break away a little bit here, and Ben trying not to lose the top 4. Burns in the 6th spot, leading the freight train, followed by Krieger, Doherty, Curry, Quinones, Morse, and Siller. Krieger getting out in the dust and pulling off, maybe? He's letting everybody go. Krieger having some kind of issue. He might be 2 or 3 wheel drive. That's a bummer. Hashtag snapping axles. Oh, we got all kinds of wrecking on the right side. Rod's got to pull double duty getting 2 trucks. That's going to hurt Curry big time. MEINTEL starting to pull away from BARDIN here. Remember when I said a 0% chance anyone checking out? I'm wrong sometimes. I can admit it. Oh, got to point out, the statistics of this race are that real Truggy bodies are better. 1 and 2 are big old bodies. However, Butter in the 3 spot closing in on your top 2 right now. That's a bruggy. Look how much more agile it is. So much less roll. Black wheels are lighter, therefore faster. Butter is closing in on BARDIN. Just 8/10 between them now. Butter just matched the hot lap set by MEINTEL. Here's the problem. MEINTEL does it every lap.
Check.
Tony MEINTEL really is checking out in this one in that yellow, pink, and white. And I just saw a from Siller, and away he goes, walking off. Big sad. Harvey having a less than perfect main so far. I had money on him. I bet on Harvey for the 3rd round, and he delivered. 4:15 down, 5:45 to go. MEINTEL is leading, smooth as ever. BARDIN has stabilized the situation and even made 2 seconds back. Tony must have had a bobble, ran a 43.5. Yeah, a 43 is a slow lap now. That's where we're at with the day. BARDIN gonna get it wrong coming down the hill. Butter to the 2 spot. New hot lap of the race, by the way, 41.2 from BARDIN last time by. He's just not gonna back it up with the 41. Now can Butter track down MEINTEL, or will he get tracked down? Good battle going on for 4th and 5th right now. Quan and Burns into the step on and step off. Bin Quan in the white, Burns in the orange and black. Burns around the outside. Around the outside, around the outside. Quan trying to put the pressure back on him. Burns got a beautiful move done. Now does he have pace to pull away? Does he have any chance of getting to BARDIN yet this race? Still 4 minutes left to go. Alex can wheel. Actually, all these guys can wheel. It's just up to which one's going to wheel today. So far has been MEINTEL wheeling, but I'll tell you what, Butter's doing a bang-up job keeping that gap stable, even closing every now and then. That one's going to be dead even, 41.7 for both of them. Adam, I'm sure you're fully aware that will be Butter behind you then. Nelson, just so you're aware, the next 2 cars that get to you will both be your 1st and 2nd place. They'll be putting a lap on you. You know what to do. We are down to 3 minutes left, 7 down and 3 to go. Bin Quan going to have a rough lap. Harvey going to go to the 5 spot. So MEINTEL, Butter, BARDIN, Burns, and Harvey is your podium right now. Followed by Quan, who bumped in, and Doherty, Morse, Quinones, and Curry, with Siller, Krieger, and Pat Mack all out. MEINTEL has worked his way past Quinones. Butter will have to navigate that next. Caution heading up the hill in the back straight. All clear. Good job, fellas. Good patience, Jimmy. Or Nelson. Bin. Burns is pushing hard. I wonder what tires he ran, because even with them spinning, I can see that they're wearing. Changing color in the center. Minute 45 left to go. Let's see what the gap from MEINTEL to Butter is going to be this time. 3 flat. Lost not even a tenth on him that time. It's just stabilized. Not making, not losing. Just stable. So Butter kind of needs a mistake from MEINTEL here. And Butter can really only keep doing what he's doing. BARDIN in the 3 spot. About 4.5 back from Butter. And about 5 up on Harvey. Harvey to Burns about 7 seconds. Burns to Doherty about 2.5. Doherty to Morse about 4. Morse to Quan about 4. Then Quinones, then Curry. If you came over to watch this on my recommendation, I apologize. I thought there would be passing. 45 seconds left to go. Does not seem like Tony intends on making a mistake. Ten seconds left to go. Your leaders are on their final lap. Just going to keep an eye on MEINTEL here, make sure nothing dramatic happens. But the yellow, white, and pink Truggy is nice and smooth down the back straight right now. Your leader into the teardrop for the final time as we race to the line. Burns just going to hang on to fourth over Doherty. MEINTEL doing the step off, coming down the stairs. And to the line comes Tony MEINTEL, taking the win here in the E-Truggy A main. Bardin catching Butter. He's getting close right now, but he can't quite do it. Butter gonna hang on to second ahead of Bardin. Burns finished fourth. Doherty was fifth. Morse was sixth. Quan 7. Quinonez 8. Looks like Harvey dropped out a lap ago.
All drivers are
And
finished.
that's a race.